Ladies and gentlemen, remember when living in a van was the punchline of a joke? Well, turns out the joke's on us, because in today's economy, a van might be the most affordable real estate on four wheels. And if you want to do it in true vintage style, let me introduce you to the 1984 Dodge B350 Camper, a rolling slice of nostalgia that's part house, part road trip machine, and part retirement plan if mortgage rates keep climbing. But before we dive into this classic camper van, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more automotive gems coming your way, and you don't want to miss them. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes the '84 Dodge B350 Falcon conversion a legend in the van life community. Back in the day, camper vans like this were a luxury, something families bought to explore the open road while avoiding sketchy motels. Companies like Falcon converted big, beefy American vans into fully functional homes on wheels. And let me tell you, this one has all the charm of a roadside diner, minus the questionable coffee. On the outside, it's got a beige body with bold red graphics that scream, "I was cool in the '80s." The front grille is chrome accented, and those hubcaps shine like they were polished by someone with too much free time. Under the hood, it's got the Chrysler LA Series 5.9L V8 engine pumping out 170 horsepower, 127 kilowatts. It won't win any races, but it'll get you to your next campsite. Eventually, step inside and you're transported straight to Grandma's cottage, but on wheels. Real wood grain cabinets, a cozy kitchenette with a 3-burner stove, an oven, and even a refrigerator perfect for storing all those road trip snacks. There's a small bathroom with a toilet and shower, so you won't have to rely on sketchy gas station restrooms. Sleeping arrangements? This thing can fit 6 people, if you're friendly, for if you like personal space. And yes, there's an overhead bunk for that true van life experience. Now let's talk practicality. This baby comes with black, gray, and freshwater tanks, all in working order so you can camp off-grid without a worry. At a price of $16,000, roughly 14,700 euros, it's not exactly pocket change, but considering rent prices these days, it might just be a bargain. Whether you're a TikTok van life influencer or just someone looking to escape sky-high rent, this Dodge B350 is ready for adventure. And remember, folks, if you enjoyed this review, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for more details. Oh, and for just $1, you can become a sponsor of our channel. That's less than the price of a gas station hot dog, though, to be fair, the sponsorship will last longer. See you in the next one.